Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to explain you the second chapter of the book A Pact with the Sun, that is The Friendly Mongoose, a story from the Panchtantra. Children, this is a story about a farmer, his wife and their small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. One day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. So children, this is the short summary of the poem, and now we will start the chapter and we will come to know what happened next in the chapter. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. So children, once the farmer and his wife, they were living in a village with their small son, and both husband and wife, they loved him very much. And one day the farmer said to the wife that we must have a pet. कि एक दिन जो है फार्मर जो है वो अपनी वाइफ से कहता है कि हमारे घर में जो है एक पेट होना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन आवर सन ग्रोज अप, कि जब हमारा बेटा जो है वो सन जो है बड़ा होगा तो ही नीड अ कंपेनियन. कंपेनियन मीन्स अ फ्रेंड. सो दिस पेट विल बी आवर सन्स कंपेनियन. और तब जो है उस टाइम पे ये जो पेट है हमारा, ये हमारे सन का कंपेनियन बन जाएगा. सो द वाइफ शी ऑल्सो लाइक्ड द आइडिया. उसको भी ये आइडिया बहुत अच्छा लगता है. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. So what happened one day? One evening, the farmer, what he brought him with a tiny mongoose. इट्स अ बेबी mongoose, एक छोटा सा बेबी mongoose. mongoose मीन्स नेवला. वो अपने घर ले आता है और अपनी वाइफ को कहता है, सेट हिज वाइफ, बट विल सून बी फुली ग्रोन. ही विल बी अ फ्रेंड टू आवर सन. कहते हैं ये धीरे धीरे बड़ा हो जाएगा और हमारे सन का कंपेनियन बन जाएगा. बोथ द बेबी एंड द mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternatively. So, both baby and the mongoose grew. दोनों बड़े होने लगते हैं. And the baby mongoose, had grown to its full size in 5 to 6 months. वो पूरा बड़ा हो जाता है 5 to 6 months में जो mongoose होता है. And the mongoose is having a lovely animal. It grows into a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes. उसकी 2 shining black eyes थी. And also have a bushy tail. और जो फार्मर का सन था, ही वॉज स्टिल अ बेबी, क्योंकि जो बेबी हैं वो धीरे ग्रो करते हैं, स्लोली ग्रो करते हैं. एंड इन द क्रेडल मीन्स पालना, उसमें ही वॉज स्लीपिंग एंड क्राइंग ऑल्टरनेटिवली. अभी वो छोटा था और उसी में रहता था क्रेडल में. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. So one day what happened, the farmer's wife, she wanted to go to the market and she told her husband that please take care of the child as I am going to the bazaar because I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. कहते हैं मैं उसको, आप पीछे से ध्यान रखना, मैं मार्केट जा रही हूँ और मैं जो है इस तरह से अपने चाइल्ड को अकेले mongoose के भरोसे नहीं छोड़ना चाहती. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby and they are the best of friends, you know. Now what the farmer said to the wife, he said that you please go to the market and don't worry about the child because the mongoose is a friendly animal and it is as sweet as our baby and they are the best friends, you know that. Then the wife went away and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way and back and didn't return to quite some time. So now what happened, as the wife, she went to the market, the farmer, he didn't have anything to do at home in the house, so he also decided to go out and to his fields which is not far away from his house. तो अब जो फार्मर है वो सोचता है कि मुझे भी घर पे कोई काम नहीं है एंड वो भी फील्ड में चला जाता है जब उसकी वाइफ मार्केट जाती हैं. देन द शॉर्ट समरी अगेन हियर गिवन of the next part of the chapter. The farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. She jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. So now what happened next in the story? We will read here. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as she was customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. "Blood!" she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Now what happened? The farmer's wife, she came back to home after finishing her shopping and her basket was full of groceries, and what she saw that the mongoose was sitting outside and waiting for her, and on seeing her he ran to welcome her. And what happened? The farmer's wife, she looked at the mongoose and screamed. जोर से एकदम उसको देख के चिल्लाती है. एंड वॉट शी सेड? ब्लड, शी क्राइड. द फेस एंड पॉज ऑफ द मंगूस वर स्मियर्ड विद ब्लड. तो वो क्या देखती है कि जो फेस है मंगूस का और जो उसके पॉज हैं वो उन पर क्या लगा हुआ है? ब्लड लगा हुआ है. यू विकेड एनिमल, यू हैव किल्ड माई बेबी, शी स्क्रीम हिस्टेरिकली. आप वो जो है उस पर बहुत गुस्से में चिल्लाती है कि तुमने मेरे जो बेबी को किल कर दिया. एंड शी स्क्रीम्ड hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. अब वो क्या करती है गुस्से में? What she did? She threw the basket full of groceries to the mongoose. mongoose के ऊपर फेंक देती हैं और फिर अंदर जो है अपने बेबी को क्रेडल में देखने के लिए चली जाती हैं. द बेबी वॉज फास्ट asleep. तो जब वो अंदर जाके देखती हैं तो वॉट शी सॉ दैट द बेबी वॉज स्लीपिंग, कि बेबी जो है वो आराम से वहाँ पर सो रहा है. बट ऑन द फ्लोर ले अ ब्लैक स्नेक टॉर्न एंड ब्लीडिंग. और फिर क्या देखती हैं कि फ्लोर पे जो ब्लैक स्नेक था वहाँ पे एक पड़ा हुआ है और उसमें से ब्लड निकल रहा है. इन अ फ्लैश शी रियलाइज्ड व्हाट हैड हैपेंड. शी रैन आउट लुकिंग फॉर द मंगूस. अब क्या है कि वो समझ जाती है कि क्या हुआ था वहाँ पर, और वो जल्दी से बाहर आती है मंगूस को देखने के लिए। Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Now what happened? She ran out to look at for the mongoose. वो वहाँ पे देखने के लिए आती हैं, तो वो वहाँ पे क्या देखती हैं? She realized her mistake. She started crying. अब उसको अपनी मिस्टेक जो है रियलाइज़ होती है और वो she started crying. She touched the mongoose who was lying dead. और उसको टच करके देखती है जो कि वहाँ पर mongoose dead पड़ा हुआ था. The farmer's wife, who acted unthoughtfully in a panic, was repenting, but it was too late. अब क्या है कि जो फार्मर की वाइफ थी, जिसने बहुत जल्दी से बिना सोचे समझे जो है पैनिक में, घबराहट में जो है इस तरह से रिएक्ट किया और बास्केट जो है उसके ऊपर फेंक दी, मंगूस के ऊपर. एंड नाउ शी वॉज रिपेंटिंग मतलब पश्चाताप कर रही थी. एंड इट वॉज टू लेट, लेकिन उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं था क्योंकि बहुत देर हो चुकी थी. मंगूस जो है वो मर चुका था, डेड हो चुका था. एंड शी वॉज जस्ट रिपेंटिंग नाउ. सो चिल्ड्रन, द moral of the story is that the story teaches us not to be angry and take action without mind if something goes wrong, else we will have to repent later, just like the farmer's wife. कि इससे हमें क्या पता लगता है कि क्या हम लेसन हमें मिलता है कि हमें कोई भी जो डिसीजन है वो जल्दी में नहीं लेना चाहिए. अगर कुछ गलत हो जाता है नहीं तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू जस्ट रिपेंट, जस्ट लाइक द फार्मर्स वाइफ. कि जिस तरह से फार्मर की वाइफ जो है बाद में जो है वो रिपेंट करती रहती है लेकिन वो किसी यूज़ का नहीं होता, इसी तरह से हमें भी जो है बाद में पछतावा करना पड़ता है. So children, hope you have understood the story. Thank you.